everyone, it is Chelsea coming at you for a very special and exceptional video, which I know is probably like, what's going on? Why are we getting this little tiny video in the midst of all of our normal ones? But it is for a very good reason, I assure you. TFD is hosting its first ever digital summit on October 16th. What is a digital summit? Basically, it is a half day full of live workshops, Q&As with experts, interactive events, cocktail hour, yoga, meal prepping, everything you would want for a half day full of activities and education to help improve your relationship with money and get on a better track in life. We're calling it the Big Reset 2020 because for most of us, 2020 has been a bit of a dark year, if we're being totally honest. And some of us, most of us, all of us want to feel like we are regaining control over our year and setting ourselves to a better direction for 2021, which hopefully will be slightly better than this year. We have some of your favorite financial voices. We have Erin Lowry of Broke Millennial, Asia Dang, who many of you have highly requested for her amazing debt payoff stories. We have experts in the field of everything from investments to careers to budgeting to managing your money and mental health, managing your money and relationships, getting out of debt, building credit, everything you are going to want to do to set yourself on the path that we really should be on going into the next year. Tickets are on sale now at the link in our description, or you can go to thefinancialdiet.com/summit to learn more. Every ticket is $29 and that gets you access to the full day. You will also get access to everything that happens on the day after the fact. If you can't make it for the day of, or even for part of it, it will all be available to you after the fact. Your ticket gets you everything included in the day. You are automatically entered into some amazing contests. You are going to get a digital goodie bag with lots of amazing freebies and tons of other great stuff that you can learn about at the link in our description or at our summit page. I am personally going to be there all day doing lots of fun things, and I cannot wait to see you guys, hopefully, all there. If you have been wanting to give your year a big reset for your money and your life, check us out, the TFD Fall Digital Summit, the Big Reset 2020. Woo!